Welcome back. This is a very quick video on some of the things that are very confusing for many people. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि breathing कैसे करना है. So like when you breathe out, in different martial arts it is different. So like traditional martial arts, sometimes they don't make any sound. Or some martial arts they will go like shh, shh, and some boxers would go like shoo, 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 and like very fast they'll go like, and sometimes with sound they'll be like ah, something like that. So some people shout like they actually make sound. Some people are going like shh, and some people go like with the nose. Some people go like with the mouth. Some people, the traditional martial arts is like shh, or some people do it without sound. Like in our style, our karate style, we don't do any sound. It's just purely breathing out and no sound. We are not taking support of any sound. Just it's kind of like an exercise for the lungs also. So it would be like traditional punch. It would be like, so I am breathing out and almost all the air I am trying to exhale. But what is the problem? So thing is, like you see in like sports styles of martial arts like kickboxing and boxing, they would be like or that kind of stuff. But in karate or traditional martial arts, they will be like, so no sound. So what is correct? Correct kya hai? Both are correct. Both are meant for different purposes. So you must understand, like traditional martial arts, taekwondo, karate, we are going like one punch and that's all we are practicing. We are practicing for perfecting this technique of this alignment. So when we apply it in real fight, so the technique should be correct and it should have maximum impact. We are not practicing in karate for like combinations of things like that. Generally we are not practicing like that. So one punch would usually have all the hip, all the breathe out, and like most of the air inside your lungs you are trying to exhale. But it is not like that when you are doing more of a sports fighting combination. You'll be like 1, 2, 3 and maybe something is coming. So you have to save your air to be able to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't go full exhale and then again and then it will make your technique slow. So what we do in sports is more like inhale and then exhale, 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 exhale in installments. So कुत्ते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, वो आपस में कभी कभी मार्शल आर्ट प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, डोंट वरी. द थिंग इज, कौन सा सही है, एक बार में एक्सेल करना सही है या फिर इंस्टॉलमेंट में करना सही है? दोनों अपनी जगह सही है. वो क्या हो रहा है कि एक चीज हम सेपरेट प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. फॉर द परफेक्शन ऑफ वन टेक्निक ओनली आई विल डू लाइक एंड दैट्स ऑल. आई मीन आई एक्सेल्ड ऑल द एयर आउट. बट फॉर द अदर वन आई एम कीपिंग समथिंग इनसाइड. So the thing is, one is meant for practicing one single technique and to make it as perfect as possible, and it's also kind of a lung exercise. The other one is more practical for a fighting purpose, because sometimes you need to fire stuff in combinations, and even when you're getting hit you need to be able to, you don't want to be in a fight like, and now I don't have any air, so and then it's not like that. So when in combinations it is more like, and when I'm doing more of a karate kata or some kind, it is somewhat more like once and for all I'm going, and then the next breath, and then the next technique, and then the next technique. So one thing is for separate practice and the other is for more practical combination purpose. And also if you're thinking about how to breathe out, it's very simple, don't overcomplicate it. Like breathe in and breathe out. Just the way you do it, it will be easier and faster when you do it with mouth, exhalation. And inhale you can do like, or sometimes it is not possible, so you'll open your mouth because you're tired, it's okay. Breathe out with your mouth because it is faster and you can do it like, but with your nose, it's not that fast and easy. Different styles, different people have different techniques, doesn't matter. Just keep an open mind. It is not like karate style is correct or a boxing style is correct. they're both talking about the same things.
Imagine the country you live in being hit by less and less fertile soil, making crop growing increasingly difficult.
Sandstorm conditions prevail in the Indian capital, and now there are fears of early desertification of the region.
This is 45 to 60 years is what we have agricultural soil. We are calling this as soil extinction. You've heard of dinosaurs going extinct, you have heard of dodos going extinct, but this is soil extinction is what we are looking at. The real problem is soil extinction because in the last 30 years, 80% of the biomass insects have disappeared from the planet. 80%. This is a suicide. This is a real suicide.
So in 45 years' time or 50 years' time, there will be serious food crisis on the planet, it's inevitable. When food crisis comes, well, whoever has the biggest guns will come and take the food. And the chaos and the suffering that we will create for populations around the world is unimaginable. So what are we going to do? So it's very, very important that soil becomes the focus, because if you put 1/3 to 40% of the land, especially in the tropical world, under tree shade, your climate change could be easily reversed. As a part of this, we are unfolding a movement called Conscious Planet to bring maximum number of people.